Having annoying delays in Fortnite voice chat? Don't worry, here's how to fix it fast so you can get back to smooth team comms. First, head into your Fortnite settings, go to the audio tab, and make sure voice chat is enabled. Voice chat method is set to open mic, and the input/output devices match your headset or mic. Wrong devices often cause delay. On console, check your party settings. Set voice chat to party instead of game if you're only talking to friends. On PC, update your sound drivers and make sure no background apps like Discord or Zoom are fighting for the mic. Voice chat lag can also come from slow internet. Restart your router, switch to a wired connection if possible, or change your DNS to something faster like Google DNS. If the problem continues, disable voice chat in settings, restart Fortnite and then re-enable it. For Xbox or PlayStation, clearing cache or signing out and back in often fix it. And always keep Fortnite fully updated. So there you go, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.